Hello, this is your Action News reporter here at the Desert Paradise Archery Range. I brought my 40-pound Martin recurve bow and we're shooting from 17 yards. I got looking on the internet and I looked up some of the birds with the biggest wingspan. And that's what we're gonna attempt to shoot today. Let's do it. Red arrow represents the marabou stork. I hope I'm saying that right. Its wingspan can get up to 10.5 feet. The marabou stork scores a 15, 1 in the 9 ring. Yay, we hit the gold, yay! Yellow represents the American white pelican. Its wingspan can get up to 9 feet. Yellow arrow, the American white pelican, scores a 20. Orange arrow represents the northern royal albatross. Its wingspan can get up to 11 feet. The northern royal albatross scores a 15, 1 in the 9 ring. Yay, way to go! White arrow represents the black-browed albatross. Its wingspan can get up to 8 feet. White arrow, the black-browed albatross, scores a 7 and a miss. That's a low score of the day. Boo! Black arrow represents the wandering albatross. Its wingspan can get up to 12 feet. Now this is the score so far. Yellow arrow has 20 points, red and orange have 15, and white has 7. That's what he's up against. Black arrow, the wandering albatross, scores 1 in the 10 ring and a total of 17 points. Everyone politely claps. We've done the American white pelican. Blue arrow represents the great white pelican. Its wingspan can get up to 11 feet. The great white pelican, blue arrow, scores a 15. That's a 3-way tie. Brown arrow represents the Andean condor with a wingspan of up to 10 feet. Holy cow, will you look at that? The Andean condor, brown arrow, scores 1 in the 10 ring. Yes! Way to go! And he scores a 22, which puts him in first place. Yay! And the crowd goes wild. Yay! Green arrow represents the Dalmatian pelican with a wingspan of about 11 feet. Green arrow scores a 17. That's not bad. Purple arrow represents the southern royal albatross, whose wingspan can exceed 11 feet. Now, this is what he's up against. In first place, we have brown arrow, represent the Andean condor with 22 points. In second place, yellow arrow with 20 points, representing the American white pelican. And in third place, we have a 2-way tie between black arrow, the wandering albatross, and green arrow, the Dalmatian pelican, both with 17 points. He's got to get a 17 or better to get in the winner's circle. Look at that, folks. 1 in the 9 ring and 2 in the 7 ring. The Southern Royal Albatross scores a 23. That puts them in first place, and the crowd goes wild. We will see you in the winner's circle. Yay! This is your Action News reporter here in the winner's circle, where we have in centering Purple Arrow, who won with 23 points, representing the Southern Royal Albatross, whose wingspan can exceed 11 feet. On your right is Brown Arrow, who won with 22 points, representing the Andean Condor, whose wingspan can get up to 10 feet. And on your left is Yellow Arrow, who won with 20 points. Close race, wasn't it? Who represents the American White Pelican, whose wingspan can get up to 9 feet. Interesting topic. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Couple of things. One of my viewers, wind's kicking up, I'm going to take this down. One of my viewers suggested, well, last week I did a video about Disney's cartoons, and he suggested, and I forgot the paper to help, if I don't write it down and if I don't have it right here in my notebook, this is my memory right here. I can't remember the guy that shared this information with me, but he said that there's a lot of Disney shows that were important to him while growing up. And so I'd like to do a competition about that. One of his suggestions were Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. He gave me 3 and I can't remember the other 2. I do remember that Disney has 140 live action shows. The Shaggy Dog, Pirates of the Caribbean, The Jungle Book, Swiss Family Robinson, just to name a few. Send me in the comments 2 of your favorites, and we'll fill my 9 requests up real quick. We'll shoot those hopefully soon. We're expecting rain Wednesday and Thursday. Send me your comments. Send me your movie best of, and I'll get them in the best I can. Thank you, and as always, I wish you a